After receiving all the inputs from all concerned district administration and also from all concerned stakeholders, as far as religious worshipping places is concerned, I would like to tell you that the government has decided to reopen up the religious worshipping places in the state of Meghalaya with effect from 16 August 2021. And the capacity of these churches gathering should not be more than 1/3 strength. However, the SOPs and notification will be issued by the Chief Secretary within few days' time from now. And I would like to request all the concerned churches, all the concerned religious worshipping denominations to kindly adhere and strict compliance of the SOP has to be followed.